All right, everybody, Mike Decker checking in from Sturgis, South Dakota. You know, one of the things you need on a bike to drive it safe is good rubber. And so I'm here at the J&P Autos getting a new back tire on, a Messler tire, which we're running on this trip. And I'm in good company. All these guys here are working out as well. I'm just gonna walk you through the lot here to give you an idea of what I'm looking at. As you can probably imagine, a lot of the motorcycle communities are kind of a late night group. So Sturgis is just beginning to wake up. But the back lot here is already, you can see the motorcycles getting so it's quite a bit different this year. Obviously, COVID has impacted even this industry. Main Street normally by this time would be like just bumper to bumper cars, but it's really difficult to know the impact, but people are still rolling in. This is the first weekend of Sturgis. So I'm gonna go down here to the Klockwerks booth. You guys have already started to set up. So Vance and Hines, they put on mufflers. Working there. And here's the j&pcycles. This is Todd and Mikkel. Guys, say hello.
Hello, everybody out there.
Hey. So they're just getting set up already. Been talking to a number of people about the flare windshield, which is cool. Here's Main Street. In another hour or two, you won't even be able to walk. There'll be so many motorcycles down here. Got a cool little slingshot. People still coming in. Got a trailer. Look at this little gem. All right, that's it. Enough video. Peace out, everybody. Talk to you soon.